All right, day 5 is logged. I tried to get in and out of the gym today because there were lots of bros around that were just kind of circling up, and there was lots of chit chat, lots of interesting conversations. I'm one of few people who does not wear pods in my ears when I'm working out. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I like to kind of know what my surroundings are, and so yeah, I was overhearing these group of guys just talking and talking, and I was like, oh my god, you guys. Anyway, got my workout done. I pulled some stuff from the Muscle and Strength website for biceps and back, and just kind of motored through it and got it done. And I was actually working to failure. I was working hard, so we'll see how I feel tomorrow. But this morning when I was watering my plants, I was listening to Off the Grid podcast and this interview with Casey Johnston. And she mentioned this book that she wrote, Physical Education, How I Escaped Diet Culture and Gained the Power of Lifting. I think we're going to have a lot in common, because like part of this movement experiment for me, I think there's going to be a lot in this book that I resonate with, that I am like detaching from like the fitness diet kind of industry culture. And yeah, there's this physical movement practice that I'm doing is definitely not about weight loss. It's not about like even like body composition changing and stuff like that. I do want to be physically strong, but I think after reading this book, maybe it's going to help clarify my own relationship with my body and weightlifting and physical fitness and all of that. So I'm eager to read it. I did see a really cute older lady at the gym today who, to me, looked like she had pretty severe scoliosis and kyphosis, and I was just like, good for her for being here and working out and doing her thing. That's probably gonna be me when I'm her age. But yeah, like with my scoliosis and back stuff, like being physically active helps. And oftentimes, you know, people with back issues or scoliosis, you know, doctors kind of don't encourage weightlifting and or weights over 30 pounds. At least that's what I've been told. But actually, that's going to be a whole other topic that I'm not going to dive into right now. I just want to close the day on workout 5, day 5. That's it.